Hi, I'm Mustafa Eryılmaz. I'm taking part in Swarm Drones project. At first, let's compare a single drone and 4-member swarm drone systems in an area scan simulation. If we compare it numerically, the swarm system was about 6 times faster, consuming the same proportion of low power, and instant field of view range was 4 times larger. We have two versions of drone systems. One is alpha and other is beta. Swarm has two identical alpha drones to make problem solving easier, and one beta to prove Swarm can work with all kind of drone versions. We have master and slave drones, and they have endless and even non-stop communication process on Swarm system. They are always talking each other, and all communications are being checked. On the left side, you can see these communication simulations. In every communication loop, a next master drone will be selected by randomly. Master drone controls these communications, and when master drone is lost, next master drone will be a new master drone. In every member on Swarm system there is a RF module for communication, a Raspberry Pi Zero or 3B Plus as a controller. And also drones have any kind of autopilots and avionics.
Hi, my name is Mustafa and I participate in Swarm Drones project. Let's take a look at the ground station software. After making our connection, we can see the data by clicking on the drones, like position of drone and battery level. Waypoints can be placed by right-clicking on map. These points can be changed from the table on right. Below that there is command buttons. By hold and drag, areas can be selected. After scan command sent, the selected area will be scanned by drones.
Hello, my name is Eryılmaz and I take part in Swarm Drones project team.
Here is the swarm system. Since the system started, master drone communicates periodically with the slave drones and ground station. If master drone receives a task from the ground station, it plans requirements and talks with the slave drones. The drones wait for a new mission after all drones complete the given commands. Let's look to the area scanning system simulation. Firstly, the master drone talks with the slave drones and gets the data of swarm system. After, most ideal starting edge and points selected where the routes are not likely to collide. This process actualizes on master drone with according to the information and rules of swarm mind. This algorithm prevents situations like collision of drones and decreasing flight time. But developed artificial intelligence supported algorithm completely eliminates the collisions regardless of the positions of drones and determines the most efficient route by the learning from different routes. This example shows the different 4 routes calculated by the master drone and master drone selects the most ideal one.